Hey crafters, it's me Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and I know it's been a long time since I've been on here. If you're in our Quality Crafts group on Facebook, you'll know that I'm taking a hiatus until January. Penny's running the budget shop, so you can still buy things from there, and we are on an inventory closeout sale. So there's a lot of great deals. Check that out. But what I'm here for today is just to introduce you to my new pet, my new dog, and his name is Chichi. So his full name is Chichi Taco Rodriguez Hernandez Bandero. And it was just a funny little thing that we came up with, Penny and I, when we went to check on him at the pound, and it was an instant bond between Chichi and Penny and myself, since Penny does most of my babysitting for my pet. So it was a perfect fit. So we brought him home last Saturday. So it's been about 8 days, 7.5, 8 days. I want to introduce you to him, but what I'm going to do right now is just show you some quick clips of what he looks like in a little video. And then later, when he feels like coming out of his kennel, I will do a live video for those of you guys who have not seen him yet. And I hope that things are going well. I want to see you guys soon, and I cannot wait to see you guys next video.